A lot of us are shipping a lot of our food these days because we're at home and we want to stay out of the stores as much as possible, or maybe the stores that we shop at really aren't open even. So, but one company I ship a lot of my food from is Jovial Foods, and this particular box just arrived today, and it's the olive oil I love so much from Jovial Foods, and it's direct from the farm. So I know it's authentic. I know it's not blended with some other type of oil and labeled as olive oil, and I know it's truly the real thing. I've actually visited the factory, it's a small family-owned factory in Tuscany in Italy, where this olive oil is produced. I've actually walked through the olive groves. I've seen exactly the process, how it works from start to finish. So it's 100% awesome and low temperature of the olive oil at all times. And I vetted every step of the process. So not only is this olive oil authentic, I can tell you that it's a family-owned operation and that they support small farms. So I had to stop the video for a minute to get this box out because it's pretty heavy. But as you can see, the peanuts that they pack with are the biodegradable peanuts, which quite frankly, if a company doesn't use these at this point in time, I won't buy from them. So it's very important, I think, to make sure the packaging is as green as possible. But this is what you get when you order the Jovial authentic extra virgin olive oil. You get 3 bottles in a box. And this lasts me about 90 to 120 days, something like that. Maybe a little longer. We use quite a bit of olive oil in our home. And the bottles are absolutely beautiful. You can see the glass is dark so that it preserves the freshness of the oil. And if you've never tasted pure extra virgin olive oil that comes from a small farm, it's direct from the farmers, and it's not been blended with any other cheaper oils like most of the olive oil on the market, I think you will be delighted at the flavor.